Welcome to the Wall Art Viewer AR onboarding series. I'm Jesse, and today I'm excited to guide you through a simple yet impactful journey of bringing your art gallery to life online with Wall Art Viewer augmented reality. Imagine giving your customers the power to see your art pieces on their walls at home with just a click. That's the magic we're about to unlock together. First, let's head over to the Shopify App Store. Type in Wall Art Viewer AR in the search field and hit Enter. You'll be directed to our app's landing page where a big install button awaits your click. If you're following along, pause the video and go through the Shopify installation steps as shown on your screen right now. When you first install Wall Art Viewer AR, you will be prompted to select one of our plans to activate your free trial. We have two great plan options to choose from. The Gallery Starter is perfect for smaller or new galleries, offering up to 5,000 art to AR conversions. For medium to larger collections, the Gallery Plus lets you transform 20,000 artwork variants. It also provides other great features like free custom art frame templates and domain masking for a seamless branded experience. Wondering what art to AR conversions mean? Simply put, it's how we turn your art into interactive AR your customers will love. Using our Wall Art Viewer demonstration store as an example, when a customer lands on your product page to view an artwork that they are interested in, customizes their selection with a preferred frame style and size option. Wall Art Viewer seamlessly connects these options to showcase the corresponding piece in AR. This helps your customers confidently visualize how the artwork will look in their own space and on their own wall while shopping on your store. Our aim is to help you create the best shopping experience for your art buying customers. Once you've selected a plan option, you are all set to continue the app setup process. To locate Wall Art Viewer settings on your store, simply click on the app's CTA in the left-hand navigation panel of Shopify. Here, nestled among your other apps, is your new sales tool, Wall Art Viewer AR. Upon opening the app, you'll be greeted with the side navigation panel, listing two key options: Set up product variants and manage products. We'll dive into these in future videos. For now, let's dive into your Wall Art Viewer dashboard. The purpose of the dashboard is to provide you details about your subscription, art to AR conversions, and API connection status. Let's take a closer look. On the main dashboard screen, you're greeted with a clear view of your subscription status. Let's say the Gallery Starter monthly plan. Our plans are available on a month-to-month or as an annual subscription, where we do offer some tempting discounts for our yearly subscriptions. Below, an infographic shows how many artworks you've transformed into AR experiences, like converting 461 out of your 5,000 quota. Next, there's a change plan option, in case you're ready to expand your AR journey or would like to request one of our other time-saving services. On the right, the store connection status checks if we're all synced up, alongside your unique API key. During the 30-day trial period, you'll be experimenting with the Sandbox API. It's like having a playground where you can test and tweak Wall Art Viewer. But remember, during this trial, your artworks will have a temporary watermark, and the assets created will expire after 30 days. But worry not. Once you switch to a paid plan, these limitations vanish, and your API key changes to a live key, ready for showcasing your art to the world. Finally, below we have added the Setup Product Page Buttons card. This is where your brand shines. Customize the Launch in AR or 3D Viewer button to match your gallery's style. You can explore how to set up these buttons in another one of our onboarding videos in this series. That concludes the initial app install and overview of the Wall Art Viewer dashboard. In our next video, learn how to set up product variants for fast and efficient art to AR processing. If you found this Wall Art Viewer tutorial helpful, leave a comment or give it a thumbs up below. If you have questions, our support team is just a message away. Email support@wallartviewer.com. See you in our next video.